Welcome back to Scube Wealth Grid, where smart money meets real life. Today, we're talking about something that could make or break your financial future, your emergency fund. Let's be honest. Most people either don't have one or think that Rs. 10, 000, or $200 sitting in their bank account will somehow save them in a crisis. But in 2025, with job uncertainty, rising living costs, unpredictable health expenses, and a fragile global economy, that thinking is dangerously outdated. So what is a real emergency fund in today's world? It's not just a rainy day cushion, it's financial armor. At a minimum, you need 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, not your total income. That includes rent or EMI, food, utilities, transportation, and insurance. Track it. Know your number. For some, it might be Rs. 1. 5 locks, for others, $10,000. Whatever the number is, you need to get aggressive about building it. This isn't money for investing or impulse spending. It's untouchable, except for actual emergencies like layoffs, medical bills, or urgent repairs. Now, where should you keep it? Forget fixed deposits with long lock-ins. Forget leaving it idle in your main savings account where you'll be tempted to dip into it. Use a separate high-interest savings account, a liquid mutual fund, or an ultra-short-term debt fund that gives better returns than your bank, but still lets you withdraw within 24 hours. In India, options like ICCI, Prudential Liquid Fund, or Paytm Money's liquid portfolios work great. For US-based viewers, look at Ali Bank or Fidelity's cash reserves. The goal isn't just saving, it's access plus growth plus discipline. Automate the process. Set up a standing instruction for even Rs. 2, 000, or $50 a week. Sell old gadgets, cancel unused subscriptions, divert your tax refund, whatever it takes. Because the truth is, in 2025, life doesn't give you advance notice. But your emergency fund can give you time to think, time to breathe, and most importantly, time to bounce back without debt. If this helped reset your mindset on emergency planning, subscribe to Scube Wealth Grid, because in our next video, the topic is owning versus renting. What makes sense in 2025?